Hello everyone, today we will be starting a series on Karwa Chauth. Start with eyes. Take a concealer, apply it. Kajal. This one is from Faces. This is a gel liner. Make an abruptive line all over your lid. This needs not to be precise as we are going to smudge it off anyway. This comes with a smudger at the back. You can use this or you can use a pencil brush. Now using NYX palette and taking a brown shade with the same brush and applying it in a little circular motions to remove any harsh lines and creating a smudged or smoking effect. Take a small amount of same light brown transition shade and applying it all over my lid area, making sure there are no harsh lines and it will give you a fill in the eyes with same gel kajal from Faces Canada and in a generous amount. Mascaras, little blushes. Using the same brown, we use one and give. So once the eyes are done, I'll be using this concealer palette. Little bit under the eyes
and to hide these blemishes.
Thick concealer for giving an uplifted look under the eyes on the high points of your face. Little contour. I'll be using this. This is a serum based foundation and it's very light and very thin coverage. I am gonna use both and doing that in a little circular motions, dabbing the foundation onto my skin. With the loose powder, setting the under eyes,
Taking the residue over all the
brushing off the excess, blushed pink shade. You can always use a tint mains subtle shinier surface that will bring out finish it up with a setting spray. The next part is lips. pencil was from Swiss Beauty, and this is my favorite lip. It's Karwa Chauth. We forgot to make bindi. And there will be some accessories. How do you like my look? Let's get ready this Karwa Chauth on your own. Follow me for more videos on self makeup tutorials.